Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I lost around $1,800 trading 2 times. Both times I lost. This is the second try I'm doing of this video. I recorded the video but the files got corrupted, so I lost everything. Today is not really my day and I don't know what is happening. These two trades I'm gonna show you were not good. I don't know why I took them. My mental is right now not the best. I need to find a solution, but let's stop talking and get right into the video. Let's start with the higher time frame, and we can clearly see that overall the time frame is very bearish. Over the last week, price started dumping, respecting bearish caps, disrespecting bullish ones, also on the higher time frame. So initially, before market opened, I was thinking I just want to see a continuation short, maybe a hit of a hourly gap, of a higher time frame gap, and then continue the trend lower. We can see that the gap here, the 4-hour gap, got respected by the market. So I wanted to see any sort of shorts. On the 2-hour, I marked out this 2-hour unmitigated gap because I thought maybe price could open higher, take out both the swing high inside the 4-hour and the unmitigated 2-hour, and then continue the trend lower. But to be honest, I was not expecting price to reach up there, but maybe reach this swing high and then go lower. On the other time frames, there's not much to show you. We can see there's a lot of chop. I also like the fact that we were having a lot of low resistance liquidity, so PDI would have been perfect. If you come on the 5-minute, also there's nothing too crazy, but so we are already at market opened. I waited and we could see price dump instantly. It took out the swing high that was inside a 5-minute gap. To be honest, this was no trade for me because I was expecting price at least to go up there. I was not thinking that price rejected. Plus we had like 5 seconds time to react because price was moving so fast and I could not have entered any faster. So I just waited patiently and we can see that price started dumping incredibly. There was no retrace. I said I just want to see any sort of retrace, I don't care which one, and here I got my first retrace. I saw a 3-minute retrace, and usually I never take them, but today was an exception. I took this, wanted to go because price was so bearish. I thought, yeah, this must play out at least at break even, but since I was not fully convicted, I waited a bit too long and I entered around here. And of course price hit this point where most traders went break even, but since I had such a bad entry, I did not went break even. I wanted to go break even at this line here that was a swing low inside a 30-minute gap, but I got hooked. And here with this trade I lost around $800, but since I was very confident about the shorts, I waited. If we come back here, I waited for price to move higher, then a new gap, a new higher time frame gap created, and we can see, yeah, now I went way too far. Let's go back right here. That ES took out the 50-minute gap while NQ didn't. Now let's see if I can go exactly. ES took out this gap while NQ didn't, so creating SMT. And initially I wanted to enter here with this inversion, but since price was so choppy, I was not sure. But when I saw this candle, I wanted to enter, but from 1 second to another, this gap formed and I had a really bad entry and ended around here. I entered here with a target around 1-1 and want to go break even at the swing low. Overall, also this trade was not the best. To be honest, it was quite bad because we were targeting a sweep, so a liquidity where traders I don't know why today I call them players, usually put their stop loss, and therefore price never went down there, and it started chopping, and eventually I got stopped out. Yeah, with this, these were my two trades. Sorry if I'm feeling a bit down, but I don't know what to do. Price, and especially I am not feeling too good. I don't know what is happening to me lately. I need to focus on myself. I need to find the errors and hopefully get back at it. With this, I blew my evaluation. Tomorrow I start a new one. I mean, this is good. I can reset. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a bit a shorter one as usual, but I try to keep the videos short. If you guys have anything to tell me, any help is appreciated. And I hope you guys to see you tomorrow. So, God bless and bye.